Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the notebook Asus Zenbook 17 Fold OLED in a couple of minutes. Let's go. The touch panel display provides full DCI-P 3-color gamut, with a maximum brightness of 500 candelas per square meter, sufficient for outdoor or well-lit indoor use. Pantone certified for natural and accurate colors. Inside the 1.5 kg laptop is powered by a 12th generation Intel Core processor, namely the Intel Core i7-1250U, which was introduced this year. The maximum frequency is 4.7 GHz. A discrete graphics card is not provided. IGPU Z Graphics G7 will have to take the rap here. New Asus complies with the Intel Evo certification program. The 75 Wh battery provides decent battery life. A 1TB M2 SSD is installed as a drive. The amount of RAM is 16 GB. The foldable laptop contains a Wi-Fi 6E module and Bluetooth 5.2. There is a Type-C port. The keyboard in the classical sense is not included with the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED. Visually the laptop looks like one large display. The touch keyboard does not suit everyone, and for such users Asus offers a new Bluetooth keyboard, Asus Ergosense Bluetooth. It comes with a touchpad that complements the Zenbook 17 Fold OLED well. However, the keyboard will have to be placed separately. In principle, the keyboard can be placed on the lower display, but in this case it rises significantly above the tabletop, which worsens ergonomics. Asus Zenbook 17 Fold OLED will go on sale for €3,699. This concludes the review. Bye bye.